Hello, beautiful people!
Hello, beautiful people!
Welcome back to my channel, Awesome.tv and Champmom! So ngayon, alam nyo na, beautiful people, magre-react po kami kay Miss BEA Alonzo.
Yes!
Oh,
Siyempre, pag sinabing beautiful people,
alam na, this is
tagline niya ni Miss
BEA
BEA Alonzo.
So, magre-react po kami sa video ni Miss BEA at ang title ng video na ito ay Pantry and Fridge Tour.
Wow!
Wow! Wow na wow! Malalaman natin kung paano nga ba. Ano ba?
Paano nga ba niya ino-organize?
Ino-organize? Yun na nga ba yun? O sige, simulan na natin. Ang malaman na natin.
Huwag na natin patagalin ito.
Patagalin ito.
Go! Watch with us!
Yes, guys, come on.
Hello, beautiful people! Welcome to my channel. Yes, we are now in my house in Manila and we are on...
okay. Wala na tayo sa probinsya ngayon.
Wala na sa farmhouse.
We are back in Manila.
Manila na. Ay, sa bahay niya na.
quarantine yet again. A year later, nandito pa rin tayo. Recently, on my Instagram, I have shared that I've had friends and loved ones who were infected by COVID. I'm telling you, hindi siya joke. Alam mo yung parang kapag malapit na pala sa'yo, kapag na-experience mo na siya, mas lalo siyang nakakatakot.
True.
True yun, oo.
Oo, kasi scary talaga si COVID kasi hindi mo alam kung
Ano siya, tawag dito, yung invisible kasi di ba? So, hindi mo alam kung kailan kaiilag.
At saka pag nandyan na nga siya sa loob ng sistema mo, kailangan talaga maging strong ka. Grabe.
Yun lang ang pagkakapitan mo sis para makasurvive ka at gumaling sa sakit na to.
I also know that it is a privilege to be able to stay home. I know that there are people who cannot do this. They have to be able to put food on the table. Para dun sa mga kaya namang manatili sa bahay, manatili na lang tayo sa bahay to take care of one another. But
Ayun na nga.
Oo, totoo.
Manatili na lang sa bahay. At saka marami namang pwedeng gawin sa bahay. At saka this is the time talaga na para mag-bond kayo ng mga...
Spend time with your family.
With family.
Oo. Yun nga lang, hindi natin maiwasan sa mga tao talagang katulad na nasabi ni Miss BEA na kailangang lumabas para, kumita.
Yan.
Yun. Especially sa mga natin, frontliners.
Yes.
Yun.
on a positive note, syempre, quarantine time means we have more time to clean our homes, organize our homes, and
Yes! That is
Yun,
on a positive
on
note.
a positive note. Tama naman talaga. So,
Ang
mas
dami
yung
mong
sinabi
time mag-declutter ng closet mo, maglinis ng bahay.
Mag-organize nga, sabi ni Miss BEA.
Yes, ito talaga ang right time.
Yes.
contrary to what my mom said last week, naburara daw ako at hindi ako
Ayan ni-reaction na natin yan eh.
Yes.
Burara
daw siya. Kaya ito, gaganti siya.
Ito na, pang-defense.
mahilig mag-ayos ng bahay.
Kasi ate, alam mo, ikaw kaya madalas mawala gamit mo. Bura ako.
I beg to disagree because if you have watched my house tour video, you would know na I am big on labels.
Oy,
Yes, I am.
big.
No, I like organizing my home, and when I'm feeling down, it's the best thing that I want to do. Because
Oo. When you're feeling down,
Oo.
malaki kaya. Malaking tulong yun.
Tulong. Nakakalis siya ng stress actually. Ako ganyan din ginagawa ko eh. Alam mo yun, yung dami mo inisip na na problema. Pag may ginagawa ka, lalo na especially nag-organize, naglilinis ka, nakakalimutan mo eh.
Ako naman pag-stress, magluluto ako.
Oo, ikaw ganun ka, nagluluto ka. Ako naman, ganda ako sa paglilinis at pag-organize. Magkaayos ng kung ano-ano.
I feel like whenever I am organizing my home, I am able to compartmentalize my feelings and deal with them one day at a time. It is also my way of protecting my mental health, which is very important, especially now that we are dealing with so many crazy things in life.
Agree ako dyan.
Oo. Tama. Kaya nga talagang namamanage mo rin mentally kung may problema ka.
May problema ka.
Idaan mo na lang sa paglilinis ng bahay.
Pag-organize. Kung anong pwede mong gawin.
Oo, kaya nga marami na rin naging plantito, plantita.
Yes, correct.
Because of this quarantine.
Yes.
Recently, I have discovered a product that helped me a lot in labeling things at home. The Epson Label Works! I love this product so much. If you know me, alam mo na hindi ako techie and I don't like products that are complicated. This one is very self-explanatory. It's also portable. It is battery operated, but you can also connect it to your computer, and it also has a plug if you want that. Actually, I just carry it at home. I just carry it all over the place. I'll show you later how I organized my pantry and also my spice rack and my fridge.
Aba, ano ba to? Paid partnership?
Malamang, sis.
Malamang.
So shall we? So it's kind of a mess here right
Okay.
now.
Daming masasabi.
And here's my pantry. I am going to fix it. I am also going to fix my spice rack. As you can see, it's a mess right now. And also my other rack, which contains all my oils, balsamic vinegar. And on this episode, I'm also going to fix my fridge because we don't want to spoil any food. So we are going to put yung mga expiration dates also sa aking freezer.
Okay yun, oo. Parang ililabel mo kasi dapat
Oo.
first in,
First out.
oo, tama ba? First in, first out.
Oo.
Ganun dapat.
Oo. Nakita mo yung suot niya? Yan o. Na bracelet.
Okay.
Ang ganda niya. Yan ba yung
Oo.
ano tawag doon?
Cartier.
Cartier na.
Mm-mm.
Cartier na. Ang ganda.
Yung-
Sana oil.
One color lang siya.
Oo. Ang mahal niya.
Normally, 3 colors yan. Baka hindi niya sinuot yung iba.
Now it's time to refill my quinoa container to there. Voila! Yan. So, sariling sikap to. DIY because quarantine. Nagawa ni Ivan yan as tags from this. Look at that. It's a gift from someone and then we're turning it into tag.
Oo. Nice idea yun.
Ito magandang DIY talaga. Yung mga bagay na pwede mo itapon na papakinabangan pala. I mean,
Like yung
wag
mga
mong
cartons
itapon
na
kasi
yan.
mapapakinabangan.
Mga packaging. Oo. Lalo na ilalagay mo siya sa mga container na wala ngang label.
Label. Yun pala yun, yung Epson. Paid partnership.
Okay. They got kinds of tapes to choose from.
Napakahaba naman.
Nang tugtugan na yan.
Tugtugan na yan.
Ano ba? Attach. Okay. The nails. Look at the nails.
Ang ganda.
So, si Epson is a printer. Ang hirap mag-type ha.
Oo.
Naka-nail extension kasi
Oo.
siya.
And they also
Basta yun ang
have a
paglabas, ganun na agad.
Ganun na siya. Ididikit mo na
Oo.
lang.
So,
Okay.
napaka pala nito. Madaling gamitin.
Oo.
No?
magnetic tape.
Yun. Tapos ididikit mo na lang.
Mix nuts.
Oh!
Cutie! Doggy! Nose! Nose tayo dyan.
So we are now in my pantry yet again. During my home renovation, doon lang ako nagpatayo ng isang room, especially for
Sa kanya yung suot niya, blue.
Blue.
No?
Oo.
my food. Before my renovation, yung pantry ko used to look like this. Maliit lang talaga siya. The thing about me is that I like storing my food in their proper containers. Sabi nga ni Khloe Kardashian, everything that I own has their own home. And
Oh, okay.
Everything that I own
Has their own home. Khloe
Khloe Kardashian.
Kardashian.
Ito ba yung sikat na na model?
Kardashian sisters.
Oo.
Oo.
I like that. It may seem like I have a big pantry, pero sa totoo lang, lahat ng tao dito sa bahay, dito rin sila kumukuha ng pagkain. And I make sure I do not waste food. I will show you how I organize my food in my pantry. This will serve also as a pantry tour. Let me start by showing you how I categorize my food. By kind kasi siya. So, dito sa taas, dito normally,
Yung mga delata.
Ang taas sis, parang ang height ni Miss Bea Alonzo talaga ito.
Hindi niya nga abot eh. Kakailanganin mo ng dyan.
Ng ladder.
Ladder, oo. Pero kasi para ma-occupy din yung space, sayang kasi.
yung mga canned goods ko. Using my Epson Label Works, nilalagyan ko sila ng expiration date. Dapat nauuna natin gamitin yung mga pagkain yan because it is really bad to waste food, lalo na sa panahon ngayon at lalo na marami tayong kababayan na nagugutom, hindi ba? I also have my...
Correct.
Talagang wag tayong mag-waste ng pagkain. Kaya yung mga yung mga kabataan diyan, pagkakain, simot sarap.
Simot sarap talaga, bawal magtira sa plato.
Bawal magtira sa plato kasi ang dami nagugutom ngayon.
Correct.
Pasta sauces there. And I also have my almond flour. Whenever...
Parang ang sarap ng may pantry, no? Para kang may mini
Oo,
tindahan.
Tindahan. Sana oil.
Di ba, sis, pag nagpagawa tayo ng bahay,
Okay.
dapat may pantry.
Okay, sige.
Okay.
I would bake, I always have this as an
Almond
alternative.
flour.
I am also in love with cereals. So I have these. Alam ko, it's an extra expense to spend on like containers or baskets. But I'm telling you, it's worth it. And it doesn't have to be expensive. These are not expensive.
Oo, marami din naman kasing mga container na reasonable yung price.
Oo. At saka, pwede mo naman gamitin yung mga, nabibili mong like, yung
mga freebies
Oo.
na nabibili mo. Like, minsan bibili tayo ng pasta, may free na container na ganyan.
At saka yung iba, pwede mo naman i-reuse.
Reuse.
Oo,
Correct.
yung may mga container, yung mga, Lay's Choice,
Yung mga mayonnaise na malalaki.
Malalaki,
Oo.
Yung mga
Yun
ganyan.
yun. Ginagawa namin yan dito sa bahay.
Oo, reuse na lang, guys. Mas
Oo,
may-
reuse.
And you will use it for a long time. So I suggest you invest in them just to make it look more pretty, and ilalagyan ko rin siya ng expiration date.
Importante talaga yun, sis, yung expiration.
Kasi sa kanya talagang dapat niyang lagyan dahil na wala na siya sa sa original na pack. So,
Oo.
dapat lagyan niya talaga.
Correct.
Ganun siya ka-organize. Imagine. Na-organize niya talaga.
Or kung wala kang, alam mo isa kong ginagawa, kung wala kang printer na ganyan, ikat mo mismo, di ba? Like yung Milo pack, nilipat ko sa isang
Oo,
lalagyan.
tapos yun na lang.
Kinat ko talaga yung word na Milo, dinikit ko doon.
Oo, yun na
Tapos,
lang.
yung expiration na date, pwede mo ring ikat at idikit mo rin
Idikit mo
doon.
na lang doon. Ito ay tipid tips lang.
Tipid
Kung
tips.
wala kayong Epson.
Ewan ko kung ako lang. Pero I hate it kapag hinahanap ko yung expiration date, lalo na kapag nagmamadali ka. So, I make sure I label them. I have grains here. I have quinoa. I have chia seeds. And I'm running out of chia seeds. I have mixed nuts
mixed
here. Also, my snacks. I have trail mix, M&M's, dried fruits, and I feed... Actually, this is Walter's favorite. I also place my pastas here. And by the way, another hack. Lahat ng ginagamit ko, glass talaga, glass containers. It's more earth-friendly. And right over here
Okay.
are...
More earth-friendly ang basket.
Ang glass, oo. Kesa nga naman sa plastic.
Sa plastic.
Yun nga lang.
Ingat
syempre.
ka lang baka, syempre, alam mo na, disgrasya. Pabigyan mo
Especially-
nila ang basag,
Especially pag may mga bata.
May mga bata. Sa kanya naman wala pa naman siyang
Oh, yeah.
for my snacks. Well, hindi lang sila sa akin. Kapag may mga
Nakatalikod yun, oh.
Alam na.
Alam na.
Yum, yum.
pinsan ako na pumupunta dito sa bahay, it's easier to host. Over here naman, I place like the big bags. So I have my Japanese breadcrumbs right over here, my noodles, my sugar, also my coffee beans for my coffee machine, my instant coffee, I have spices here. I also have a spice rack that I'll show you later, but the rest of my spices are here. This is my baking corner. I have all-purpose flour here, brown sugar. Next time, I will show you my other baking supplies. These are my yogurt jellies. And of course, my kitchen aid is right over here. Since medyo mataas yung pantry natin, I also place a stool here so that I can easily get my food from over there. So lahat talaga ng compartments, lahat talaga ng shelves and spaces, nagagamit ko dito sa pantry ko. Like here, dito ko nilalagay yung pang Korean grill namin kapag nagsasanggipsal kami. Andito yung mga boxes ko for baking. Ice buckets are here. And my lemon juicer. And by the way, baka nagtataka kayo, bakit naman nagpa-pantry tour lang ako, nakakulot pa ako, tsaka naka-makeup ako, diba? Tsaka naka-alahas talaga ako. You know why? Because nga, as I said kanina, it's very important for you to protect your mental health. If it makes you feel good, do it. Who can?
Correct.
Siyempre,
It
pag
doesn't
naka-
mean na nasa bahay ka lang, hindi ka na mag-aayos.
Magpaka-lotion.
This is one way to protect your mental health. For
Siyempre,
your own.
pag maganda ka, feeling great.
Oo. At
Feeling,
saka, yan, halimbawa, nagme-makeup tayo. O, di ba, ang ganda-ganda ng tingin natin sa sarili natin.
Oo,
Eh,
diba?
sino pa bang ibang mag-aayos sa sarili natin? Eh,
Kundi tayo din, di ba? Siyempre, patingin mo sa salamin, ay, Diyos ko, ba't ganito na itsura ko?
Tama yun. At saka since quarantine, naka-ECQ, o kailan mo pa masusuot yung mga yan?
Oo. I mean, di ba, quarantine na nga, dami na nga ang problema ng mundo eh, di ba? Di ka pa bang mag-ayos, no?
At saka wala ka rin ngang time na lumabas para suotin yung mga alahas mo, yung mga damit mong magaganda.
Ay, di sa bahay
Suotin sa
na lang.
bahay!
Okay lang yan, sa bahay na lang.
Correct! Di ba?
Diba? Even if you're just home, as long as you feel good, that's the most important thing. So that's what I did today. Anyway, on to the tour. So I have corned beef here, I have canned goods there, na meron pa rin nakalagay na expiration date. Also baskets here. So I have my Korean snacks. Kakanood natin to ng mga K-drama. Naiingit ako sa kanila kapag nakikita ko sila. So I have seaweed here, of course. Different Korean snacks here. Of course, syempre meron din akong Filipino snacks. I have durian bizcocho.
Oo.
Di ba?
Yung pambalo talaga. May nabili ako yun nga lang wasabi flavor. Napagtsagaan naman ni Sofia, naubos niya.
Naubos niya din.
Oo.
De Davao. Sa totoo lang, may nagbigay sa akin ng isang bag of goodies from Davao. Thank you. She's a fan who gave me this. Lahat durian, made of durian. Kakaubos ko lang ng choknut. But meron din ako nito, chokomani. Ito yung isa, durian tart, tamarind. Here naman, I have my taco shells and nachos. Mahilig din ako kasi gumawa ng mga dips. May mga healthier stuff naman like kale, chips, dried pineapple, all that stuff. Whenever I would decide to create smoothies, yung mga green juice, I use these. My Korean noodles.
Korean noodles.
Just because.
Just because she is watching Korean novela.
Yes.
Kaya yun.
Alam na di sa mga addict sa mga Korean novela dyan.
Over here, I have different juices. And then also here, I have different kinds of teas. Lalo na kapag may bisitang gusto magtsaa. I'm sure you can find creative ways to make use of your old bottles or mason jars and create a beautiful space for your food. I have my peppercorns here. I have munggo. I have arborio rice, sadlat.
Munggo, syempre, paborito yan ng mga Pinoy.
Oo, sarap niyan. Lagyan mo ng daw ng palaya.
Oo, kaya malunggay.
Malunggay.
Tapos may
healthy.
chicharon.
May chicharon. Ow.
Yum.
Sold na.
Okay. Again, snacks. I have choco wafer sticks. I have peanuts. I have granola. And of course, different oils. So I got these trays from a department store where I got my baskets. It's really pretty. As you can see, parang perfect yung size niya for this area. Actually, you can use also, if you can find yung mga small lazy Susan, but I opted not to use them. Yung width kasi nitong shelves ko are really, really tiny. So, syempre, dahil it's a pantry and family member din, si Walter, he has his own tray.
Walter,
So,
yung kanyang
this is where I keep Walter's treats.
Walter Street na lang.
Water! Oh my gosh!
Ay, sus, alam na alam.
Malis na siya. Ganun lang siya. I have different sauces over here. I have hot sauce, sriracha, and everything. Bagoong, chili sauce, sinantolan, hoisin sauce, everything.
O, syempre, mawala ba yan sa bahay ng
Mga Pilipino.
Kasi pag nagluto ka ng kare-kare, ano pa ba yung kailangan
May
ng
bagong,
Oo.
pakbet, nilalagyan din
Pakbet.
ng bagoong.
Yes, tapos pag may manggang hilaw.
Kailangan ng bagoong. Ang mga ano dito sa Dubai, mga Indiano, ayaw nila.
Syempre.
Ayaw nang amoy.
Hindi nila
bagoong.
trip yun.
Hindi nila trip.
And then pickled food over here. So I have pickled relish, I have olives here and there. So that's my pantry. So I hope I was able to inspire you in organizing your own pantry. It doesn't have to be this big.
Na-inspire ka ba, sis?
Oo, inspire talaga ako. Someday, pag may ganyang klaseng pantry, or kahit small pantry lang.
Small pantry
talaga.
lang. Oo. Kasi normally sa atin, yung cabinet lang sa taas, di ba, ng kitchen, which is hindi naman siya enough
Yung space.
Di ba?
Siguro itong ganitong pantry, mas advisable siya. No?
Mas advisable yung ganyan, yung kahit nasa isang wall lang.
Oo.
Isang wall lang.
Madali mong makita agad yung mga yung mga
Kailangan mo kung ano na yung kulang.
Especially pag may label talaga.
Correct.
Sa totoo lang, you can have a small pantry and be able to organize it properly. I'm telling you, it will make you feel good after. And sa totoo lang, nakakatulong din para hindi kayo magsayang ng pagkain. Importante talaga na gumamit kayo ng labels so that you know already kung ano yung mag-expire sa hindi.
Yes, labeling is important. Hindi katulad noon sa atin, sis, hindi pa tayo aware sa mga expiration date na yan.
Oo.
Actually, nung dumating lang ako dito sa UAE, sa Dubai, doon lang ako naging aware. Sabi ko, ano ba ito? Bakit may expiration date? Sa Pilipinas, hindi to uso.
Ako pag nag-grocery talaga yung tinitignan ko yung expiration date dito sa Dubai, ang daming sale. So, alam mo na, pag nagsasale ng gano'n, yung
Malapit na. Yun.
Mag-expire na at ayaw nyo kainin, edi magluto kayo, ipamigay ninyo. And now, I'm gonna show you also my spice rack. So we are now in my kitchen, and as you know, I love to cook. At para mas madali ko makuha yung spices, I keep them here. And before, hindi siya ganito ka-organized. So I decided to purchase this little containers online, and I decided to put labels on them para mas madali din siyang kuhanin kapag nagluluto ako. Basil. By the way, I used the metallic tape from Epson, and I have different oils and condiments here. I have fish sauce, grapeseed oil, sesame oil, olive oil. I have Worcestershire sauce. I hope I'm pronouncing
Ganda ng kanyang mga bottles.
it right. Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
I also have another rack right here. Tsaka diba, ang dali-dali niya. Ang dali-dali niyang kuhanin. Galit si Walter. Nakita na naman siya ng pusa sa labas. So, I'm telling you, it's way better to label your spices and put them in proper containers right away. And now, I'm gonna show you my fridge.
Yan na. Pupunta na tayo sa kanyang
Fridge. Ready na ba kayo, guys?
Ready na ba kayo?
Ito na.
So, this is my fridge. I decided to put this here. Papakita ko lang sa inyo na
Ano yun?
Be kind today.
Be kind today.
this one, it's a magnetic tape from Epson.
May magnetic tape din si Epson.
Meron din pala.
Iba
Pakabili
ite?
nga ng Epson. Char.
It says things to do. You can leave notes here and stuff. And my note is be kind today. Be kind every single day.
single
So I'll show you my ref.
Importante yung training every single day.
Correct. Talaga.
Ta-da! I have sparkling water here.
Sparkling water. Tapos, grabe.
I like drinking sparkling water. I have
Charot lang.
Baka makita nyo kung ano lang laman ng ref namin.
Puro tubig.
tonic water here. For gin, I have different kinds of fruits. I don't remember if I got this from, eto mga containers na to, if I got this from SNR or True Value. Basta, isa sa mga stores na yon. And I figured sobrang laking
Ano yan?
Use container boxes for your fridge
To organize your stocks.
To also be easier to clean daw.
Yes.
tulong niya and keeping my ref looking clean. And actually, mas madali silang linisin kasi you just have to pull it out like that and then wash it. And I also have my eggs here. Kagabi ko lang nalaman na dapat hindi mo pala siya tinatanggal dun sa tray niya. Para yata mas matagal yung shelf life. But also, another hack is that to keep it in your fridge.
So,
Not here sa side kasi
tip
dito.
sa inyo, mga may bahay. Sa atin pala. Sa ating mga may bahay.
Huwag
na
tatanggalin dun sa kanyang
tray para mas tumagal.
Mas lasting yung kanyang
Yung hindi masyadong lumalamig. But dito sa gitna ng fridge ninyo, to have a longer shelf life. Here, I keep my butter here and my other stuff. And by the way, this is how I made use of my Epson again. I put the expiration date right over here para hindi maiinom ng expired. And then, since hindi na tayo masyado nakakababa like this, diba, to see kung ano yung nakalagay doon, I decided to put also labels here that says Korean. Again, I have my Korean corner here. I have my yogurt area here. And of course, hindi naman lahat healthy. Lahat ng tsokolate nandyan, di ba? Alam niyo,
Siyempre, hahanap pa rin tayo ng sugar.
Siyempre.
Di ba?
So, kung gusto nyong healthy, dark chocolate.
na ang hilig ko sa queso. I love cheese, so I keep them
Mahilig pala siya
here.
sa queso.
Tomatoes. I have my tomatoes there
Ay, dyan ako
para
mahilig
kukuhanin na lang.
sa tomatoes.
Roasted chestnuts. Actually, my cousin Ivan lives with me. It's his. And I have prunes here. Alam mo na. Alam mo na kung para saan yan. Prunes for when you are constipated. Char. So, by the way, ito pala isang hack. Nakapanood ko dun sa Close CD episode ni Khloe Kardashian that she keeps baking soda
Baking
inside
soda.
her ref para daw hindi mga
Pang absorb.
Ng odor ng fridge.
Oo.
Yung iba naman uling. Kung gusto
Yes.
nyo makatipid, uling
Uling na
lagay
lang.
nyo.
Oo.
ref. Pero sa lola ko, naalala ko, she keeps charcoal naman inside her ref para hindi
True. Oo, charcoal talaga. Babasain nyo yung uling. Babanlawan nyo siya tapos basa. Yun. Tapos yun na yung itatago nyo doon sa ref. Yun.
mga moist. So I guess pareho lang sila. It does the job the
Yes.
same way. But nakita ko lang to sa supermarket. So I got this and put it inside my ref. So that's how I label things inside my ref. And here, ito naman ang freezer. Ito very
Okay,
important.
Freezer niya.
Oo.
Laki ng
So
ref
yung
niya.
two-door, yung isang side, chiller lang, ito freezer.
Oo, freezer.
To us. At makikita mo, ito yung mga labels na to. It is waterproof.
Waterproof.
Kaya,
So, nilalagay namin yung mga frozen meats namin dyan. At nilalagyan na namin siya ng label. Kasi ang hirap, di ba, magsuso ka, tapos hindi mo alam kung ano yung sinuso mo. This is how we keep our food. So there, that's my fridge. There are so many ways to use your Epson label works in organizing your home. You can organize your office, o kaya ngayon dahil nag-home study yung mga bata, pwede rin nilang gamitin yon in organizing their school supplies. And I'm gonna show you another way to use your Epson label works.
aba,
Meron pa ito.
akala natin hanggang
Tapos
dun lang.
Meron pa pala.
Meron
Ito
pa
na.
pala.
So, if you are like me na maraming light switches inside your home, and kapag may mga bisita kayo, you can always put labels there like these 3 switches are for the living area.
Oo, maganda nga kasi sa sobrang dami niyan.
Oo,
lahat
kahit
mapipindot mo
Mapipindot mo dyan lahat eh. Para ka nagtatrial, no? Pindot.
Trial and error.
Oo.
Yan yung garden lamps, living area, and then porch, and then the ceiling
na rin
fan
kasi
outside.
magkakadikit na.
It's easier, it's more convenient. Ito very important, at least wala kayo may iwan na
Parang gusto ko magpa-paint ng ganun. Hanggang likod lang kasi.
Hanggang likod na lang. Total, di na tayo makakita eh.
Oo.
Likod
Ang
lang.
ganda niyan, magpa-paint nga ako ng ganyan.
Sige.
Oo, papakita ko yung bat. Diba? Huwag na yung harap, likod na lang.
Likod na lang, hanggang likod lang.
light or fan na nakabukas sa labas ng bahay. Kasi syempre, science sa kuryente. You can also use the QR code feature in your Epson Labelworks app to organize your storage.
May QR code pa rin pala siya.
Meron din talaga.
Grabe.
Like this one.
Okay. Ito na naman tong ano na to. Okay.
This is what tap on barcode. Or
Tap on barcode.
Barcode.
Choose QR code. Okay. Ikaw talaga. Ayan, lumabas na ang kanyang QR code.
yun.
Oo.
Then type your desired text like what the content of your box is. Okay,
Okay.
pang box pala ito.
Ano, besh?
Type your desired text like what the content of your box is, di ba?
Good.
Tapos, yun na. Magpiprint na siya.
And then I'll print.
Ayun. Lumabas na.
Yung QR
Yun
code.
yung QR code.
Oo, yan na. And then, scan the code with your phone. Ano yun? Ano sabi? Okay.
So, malala.
Kung what's inside the box.
Oo. I-scan
kasi.
niya lang. Pag
Oo.
may hahanapin siya, ay, dito pala nakalagay ito.
Mm,
No? Ang galing, no?
brilliant.
Brilliant idea. There's no need to open the boxes one by one.
Oo.
Just use the QR code to know what is inside.
Pero isa pa ring tip, kung ayaw mo ng ganyan, mas maganda pa rin na kung may mga clear na ano ka, plastic container.
Plastic container. Oh.
Para hindi
Isa
ka
din
na
yun.
magbubukas. At least, kitang-kita mo.
Kita mo na agad.
Yun. Is that all?
Yeah.
Ay, ito, meron pa siya.
Meron pa. Ano yan? You can also, print, on ribbons, which you can use for arts and crafts. daw.
Okay. Ganun siya ka, ano.
Ang daming pwedeng gawin pala kay ni Epson.
Epson, oo. Halimbawa, pang gift wrapping, ganyan. Ayun, no.
Yan ang ginagawa niya. Ay, ang sarap. Turn food to our neighborhood security. Ang bayad naman ni Miss Bea. Nag-share ng food sa kanila.
Siyempre.
Security. I guess yan na
ihahatid
yun.
nila.
Yan
Oo.
na, dyan na yan nagtatapos.
Diyan na. Edge na.
Ayun.
Sagot na nila. Kailangan.
So there you have
Yan.
it, guys. I hope you're able to learn a hack or two on how to properly use your Epson Labelworks. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget.
So, yun na nga yun.
I see.
Doon na natapos ang
Ang sarap
Ang
panoorin
kanyang-
ni Miss Bea. Parang nagiging beautiful,
Beautiful
ka rin.
na
Feel na
rin
feel mo rin na
tayo.
beautiful ka.
At saka alam mo yun, na ma-inspire ka, marami kang matututunan sa sa vlog niya. Katulad
True.
nito pag-organize na naman ng pantry
Oh, I
at
guess
saka
kahit hindi
fridge.
hindi ganun kaganda yung bahay mo.
Mm.
Basta nakaayos yung
Basta
lahat
nakaayos
in
lahat.
proper place. Magiging maganda.
Magiging maganda. Basta, na-organize mo lang talaga siya na maayos. No?
Tsaka malinis.
Malinis. Yun. Malinis
Yun.
tingnan.
Mm-mm.
So, I hope you guys may natutunan kayo at na-inspire kayo sa aming reaction na to.
Yes.
At, syempre kay Miss Bea. Diba? So, I hope next time, mapanood niyo ulit kami.
Oo.
Diba? At huwag niyo pong kalimutan i-subscribe ang mga channel namin, si Champmom at
Si Awesome Jo TV.
And don't forget then to comment down below at i-like and share na rin yung video namin.
Yes.
Diba? And don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa mga latest uploads namin.
Yes, yo.
Again, guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. At, oo nga pala, before I end this vlog, I'd like to, shout out kay Nina Canas. Ito na yung request mo pala.
Shout
Nag-react
out sa'yo,
na kami.
Nina.
Nina Canas, ito na. At, kay Ma'am Sita Avila, maraming salamat sa
Shout
comment.
out.
Shout out po.
Mm-mm.
At syempre, kay Mick Hernandez na cute pogi.
Ayan, mega love shout out naman dyan kay Mick.
Cute pogi.
Cute
Ito
na, pogi pa? Saan
Sabi
ka
mo
pa
kasi,
dyan?
buti pa si Daddy Borge may shout out today. Ikaw na, ito na. It's your turn.
This is your time to shine.
Yeah. Ayun guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. And stay safe and God bless. Bye!
Take care, guys. Bye.